ITC Limited. It is a diversified conglomerate best known for its cigarettes business, with large FMCG, hotels, and agri segments. It is part of the Nifty 50 and Nifty FMCG. The stock is currently trading at 290 rupees. The company's total market value is 3.63 lakh crore, making it one of the most widely tracked stocks in India. March 2026 financials of ITC Limited revenue for the quarter was 17.8 thousand crore. Net profit stood at 5.5 thousand crore. Out of every 100 rupees that came in, roughly 39 rupees stayed as profit. That is an excellent margin. Compared to the previous quarter, revenue was down 11.1% and net profit was up 9.0%. The chart on screen shows how revenue and profit have moved across the last 4 quarters. Financial health of ITC Limited. On debt, the debt-to-equity ratio is 0.0 times, that is very low. Debt is well under control. Profit margins are strong at 39%, meaning the business keeps a healthy share of every rupee it earns. Return on equity is 29%. Shareholders are earning well above what a bank fixed deposit would give. Importantly, the profits are backed by real operating cash, not just accounting entries on paper. Now for the key strengths and points to watch. What stands out positively? Profit margins are excellent at 39%, return on equity is outstanding at 29%, profits are fully backed by real operating cash. Points to watch: revenue has declined 11.1%, demand needs watching, promoter stake is low at 0%. Finally, the valuation. March 2026 results are in. You are currently paying 17 times its annual earnings, which is a fair premium for a quality business. Price to book stands at 5.0 times. Promoters hold 0%. Go and visit marcet.in for a complete view of the financials of this company. Search for ITC to get the full picture.